my Navy Federal Flagship, I have been considering doing a credit line increase, and I finally went ahead and submitted it. And from time to time, I do get comments, and I just got one today where someone has said that they had got one of the Navy Federal credit cards in April, I believe, and when should they do a credit line increase? And so I'm just like, this is perfect. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about the Navy Federal credit line increases, but I'm going to be talking about it specifically, well, for me, for the Navy Federal Flagship. Let's get into it. Hey everybody, I'm Tasha from the Major Change Group, where we believe small changes can create big results. And if this is your first time on the channel, welcome. We talk about how to get your money straight, how to increase your credit score, and how to use your credit card like a debit card. So today I went ahead and requested a credit line increase on my Navy Federal Flagship. And currently I have 3 Navy Federal credit cards. So I have the Navy Federal Flagship, I have the Navy Federal More Rewards, and then I have the Navy Federal Cash Rewards. And so the Navy Federal Cash Rewards, that was the last one that I got back in December of 2021. And y'all, can you believe it? I don't think I have applied for a credit card since maybe like March of this year. And so I'm kind of getting the itch to apply for some credit cards. But I said first, I'm going to do a credit line increase on my Navy Federal Flagship. So when I joined Navy Federal in 2019, I had only had the account for maybe like a month. When I had applied for the Navy Federal Flagship, I was not depositing any money in my account. I didn't have direct deposit. I didn't have any money in my savings account. I just had the account because at that time, my main account was my Bank of America, which now I don't have Bank of America anymore. And Navy Federal is my main account. And so I said, at that time, my credit score was probably over 700. And, you know, everything was good. So I'm like, yeah, I'm going to get approved for like $25,000. And I had only got approved for not even $7,000. I had got approved for $6,700. So I was just like, dang, that's crazy that I had only got approved for that much, because that's actually the lowest. Well, at that time, that was the lowest credit limit that I had of all my credit cards. So I was like, for sure, if I didn't get $25,000, maybe I would get like 10 or 15, something like that. But I didn't. So I've had that credit card, and I haven't even done a credit line increase on any of my credit cards for a while. And so I'm just like, you know, with my Navy Federal Flagship, I think I want to do a credit line increase. So today I went ahead and did it. And I actually did it on the website. I didn't do it in the app, but you can do a credit line increase in the app or on the website. But some things that you want to make sure to remember is that you do not want to apply for a credit line increase if you recently got a credit card with Navy Federal. So you want to wait 91 days or 3 billing cycles. And I'm telling you, because the first time that I had applied for the Navy Federal Cash Rewards credit card, I got denied because it hadn't been 91 days since I had applied for the Navy Federal More Rewards. So you will get denied if you apply for a credit card before 91 days or within the 3 billing cycles. So I would definitely say wait for that. So once that's out the way, what you want to do is go onto the site or go onto the app and go into whichever credit card that you want to apply for the credit line increase. Click on that. So the first thing that it's going to ask you is, what is the requested amount? How much do you want your new credit line to be? Now, for me, what I did, I said, I want to go for $25,000. I don't know if that's the right or the wrong way to do it, but I said, on the one hand, hey, I'm not going to miss anything. You know, probably if they don't give me that, they'll give me some. So why don't I just go all the way to the end? So I said, I'm going to ask for $25,000. So that's a big increase from my $6,700 credit limit that I have currently. But I said, I'm going to go all the way. And next is going to take you to a page, and it's going to ask you your employer. It's going to ask you your annual income. Do you rent or own? And then how much is your rent or mortgage? So answer all those questions and then hit submit. And it says within 24 hours they will respond. So it hasn't been 24 hours yet. So I'm just like, I don't know. Let me know in the comments. Do you think I would get approved for a credit line increase of $25,000? We'll have to see. I'm just going to do it. I don't know. Because, you know, even if they give me a couple of thousand, it will be okay. Because with my Navy Federal Flagship, I love that credit card. I love the Navy Federal Flagship and the Navy Federal More Rewards. But my Navy Federal More Rewards, I do have a $25,000 credit limit on that one. But my driver credit card is the Flagship. I use that one all the time. Plus, I like the More Rewards. So we'll have to see. But it's like, usually I don't spend over, I don't know, like a couple of thousand. But I always pay it off every month. And so I haven't paid any interest on that credit card. So on the one hand, I guess I really didn't need to do a credit line increase. But, you know, with my Navy Federal More Rewards being $25,000 and then my Navy Federal Cash Rewards, I think that's like $14,000. It's just like they can beef up my Navy Federal Flagship a little bit more. So I'm hoping that possibly it'll be the $25,000. But see, the only thing is with the Navy Federal Flagship, you know, that's like the premier credit card. And the minimum limit for that credit card is $5,000, I believe, all the way up to $80,000. So we're going to have to see. And then especially since I had that credit card for 3 years, you know, you kind of would think that they maybe would have went ahead and did a credit line increase, you know, since I've had it so long, possibly. I don't know if they still do that. So I just thought I'm going to go ahead and do, you know, and ask for a credit line increase. So we're going to see. But let me know in the comments, do you have the Navy Federal Flagship? Do you know, which is your favorite Navy Federal credit card? You know, when I did a poll on that one a few months back, everybody's was kind of the Navy Federal More Rewards. But before that, it was the Navy Federal Cash Rewards. So I'm just like, whoa, that's crazy. But the Navy Federal More Rewards, I think then it was the Cash Rewards, then it was the Flagship, and then I think the Go Rewards, and then the Platinum. But I really feel like people are sleeping on the Platinum credit card, because especially with it having a low interest rate. But if you're not paying any interest on your credit card, I can kind of see why not. But if you're wanting to do maybe like a balance transfer and things like that, I definitely think getting the Navy Federal Platinum credit card is the way to go. But we're going to have to see. So I'm going to give you a follow-up to let you know, did I get approved for making my new credit line $25,000? I don't know. We're going to have to see. So turn your notification bell on so we'll see what goes on. I hope that you like this video. Please like, subscribe, share with a friend, turn your notification bell on so you will be notified when new content drops. I thank you so much for watching. Until next time. It's not a game, it's a